Good morning, everybody. Today I take your grammar class. We have already finished chapter 1 noun and chapter 2 noun number. Now I discussed to you gender, chapter 3. So, first of all, we have to know what is called gender. The gender actually means male or female. That is male, father, boy, uncle, grandfather, these are male. Female, mother, sister, daughter, etc. So, this is gender. There are four types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Actually, there are four kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine means male, the gender which denotes some male animals, male human being, that is called masculine gender. That is boy, father, lion, son, etc. Feminine gender means which denote to us female things, any female animals, female mankind, that is exercise girl, sister, mother, wife, etc. Common gender both. This gender is such a gender that means both male or female. That is student. What is student? It may be male or it may be girl student or boy student. Maybe student means boy or girl. Friend means it may be boy and girl. Teachers means male teacher or female teacher. That is common gender. Student, friend, teacher, etc. Neuter gender means that is they have no living power. That is actually non-living things are called neuter gender. That is, it means neither male nor female. That is child, chair, table, tree, etc. So there are four kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So what is called masculine gender? What is called masculine? The nouns that refer to boys, men and male animals are called masculine gender. That is father, fox, peacock, uncle, etc. Which refer to us male things, that is men and male animals, that is called masculine gender. Example: father, fox, peacock, uncle, brother, etc. etc. Number 2, feminine gender. The nouns that refer to girl, women and female animals, that is called feminine gender. That is girl, mother, wife, etc. and etc. That is woman, mother, cow, vixen, poetess. Vixen means fox, feminine gender. Masculine gender fox, feminine gender vixen. That is called feminine gender. Common gender. The nouns that refer both males and females are said to be of the common gender. Neither both. It means both males and females. Student means it may be girl, it may be male or female. Girl student, boy student. Friend means both. It may be boy, it may be girl. Friend. Cousin means it may be brother or sister. Maternal sister, maternal brother, that is called cousin. Child means both. It may be male or female. That is called common gender. Neuter gender means the nouns that denote a thing that is neither male nor female. Actually, it is non-living things, etc. Table, book, pen, tree, etc. It is an inanimate object. Table, it has no living power. Pen, it has no living power. Tree, it has no living power. So book, non-living things. So these are called gender. So how many kinds of gender? There are 4 gender: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Masculine means male, feminine means female, common means both male and female, neuter means it is neither male nor female, only inanimate object. Okay, there are some rules, that is how you change feminine from masculine gender. There are some rules how you change feminine from masculine gender. Number 1, by adding ESS to the masculine form. ESS, masculine, one masculine noun, if we add ESS, that is it change into feminine gender, that is lion. Lion, ESS, lioness. Poet, POET, masculine. POETESS, poetess. Host, HOSTESS, hostess. There are many examples in your book. I give you 3 examples. Okay, by adding ESS to the masculine gender, we get a feminine gender. Number 2, by adding ESS after dropping the vowel before the final R. If any word ends with R and before R there is a vowel, we drop the vowel and we add ESS at the end of the words. That is actor, ACTOR, actor. That ACTOR, end R, before R O, so O I drop it. ACTRESS, O drop. This is the second rule. If any word ends with R and before R there is a vowel, we drop vowel and then after this word we add ESS at the end of the word. Actor, ACTOR, ACTRESS. Tiger, TIGER, E drop, TIGRESS, tigress. Enchanter, ENCHANTER, R, E drop, so ENCHANTRESS, enchantress. Waiter, WAITER, R before R E, so WAIT, E drop, RESS, waitress. Okay. In case of compound name, the feminine form is made by replacing the masculine form. Replace masculine compound word, that is grandfather. In the place of father we put mother, grandmother. This is in case of compound. Grandfather is a compound word, and if we change it into feminine, we replace father into mother. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Landlord, landlady. Jackass, genius. Okay, this is the rules, 4 rules. Okay, by forming a new word. Example, masculine to feminine, totally change this word, that is boy, girl. Sir, madam. Dog, beach. King, queen. Stag, doe. Okay. Masculine, monk, nun. Bull, cow. Bachelor, spinster. Okay. So I repeat it again. Gender, what is called gender? Gender means male or female, anything, any human being or animal, that is called gender. What is gender? Gender means male or female, that is masculine gender, father, mother, male, father, boy, son, uncle, etc. Masculine gender. Feminine gender means female, that is mother, daughter, wife, sister, etc. etc. How many kinds of gender? There are 4 kinds of gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender means male. Feminine gender means female. Common genders means both male and female. Neutral gender means neither male nor female. So this is an inanimate object, non-living object. That is masculine gender boy, father, lion, son, etc. Feminine gender girl, sister, mother, wife, etc. Common gender student, friend, teacher, etc. Neutral gender chair, table, tree, etc. Okay. There is some definition what is called masculine gender. The nouns that refer to boys, men and male animals are called masculine gender. That is father, fox, peacock, uncle, etc. Feminine gender, the nouns that refer to girls, women and female animals are called feminine gender. That is example, women, mother, cow, vixen, poetess, etc. Common gender. Common gender, the nouns that refer both male and female are called common gender. That is teacher. Teacher may be boy, maybe girl, maybe male or maybe female. So teacher is a common gender. Students. Student, boy student, it may be boy student or girl student. So it is common. Friend, your friend, maybe he is a friend, he is my friend, that is a boy, male, and she is my friend, that is female. So friend. Cousin may be your uncle's daughter, your uncle's sister, your maternal uncle's daughter or son. So cousin means common gender. Child may be boy or girl. So these are common gender. Neuter gender, the nouns that denotes a thing that is neither male nor female. That is called neuter gender. That is table, pen, book, chair, chalk, etc. etc. That means it denotes that it is an inanimate object. Pen, is it living power? No. Book, is it living power? No. Copy, it is living power? No. The things which have no living power, which is non-living, which is inanimate, that is called neuter gender. Okay. Some rules. There are some rules how to change masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine. That is example. Number 1. By adding ESS to the masculine form. If I give you any some masculine gender, you put ESS at the end of the word and make it feminine. That is lion, LIONESS, lioness. Poet, POETESS, poetess. Host, HOSTESS, hostess. Okay. Number 1. Number 2 rules. By adding if any word ends with R and before R there is a vowel, you totally drop the vowel, omit the vowel, and then in that place you put R and after this you add ESS. That is by adding ESS after dropping the vowel between the final R. Before the final R. By adding ESS after dropping the vowel before the final R. That is actors, masculine. Feminine, actress. ACTOR, R, final word R. Before R, O vowel. So oat, you omit oat. ACTR, ESS, actress. Tiger, TIGER, R, final word, final letter R. Before R, E, vowel. So TIG, INEOGA, R, ESS, tigress. Enchanter, 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 enchantress. ENCHANTERR, E. So ENCHANTRESS. E, you omit E. Waiter, 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 WAITRESS. R omit E, omit E, and after R you put ESS. So WAITER, WAITRESS, waitress. Okay. Number 3, rules. In case of compound noun, the feminine form is made by replacing the masculine. Masculine, in the place of masculine form, you put feminine form. That is grandfather. Grandfather is a compound word. So if you change it into feminine, so similar grand, same. In the place of father, mother, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Landlord, landlady. Jackass, genius. These are the rules. Okay. Number 4, by forming a new word. Totally, we get a new word in the feminine form. That is boy, girl. Boy, in the boy, there is no relation, there is no similarity between boy and girl. So totally, this is the different word. Boy, girl. Sir, madam. Dog, beach. King, queen. Stack, dough. Monk, nun. Bull, cow. Bachelor, spinster. Actually, we have finished chapter 1, 2 and 3, but still now I do not do any classwork and I do not give you any homework. Now chapter 1, noun. I do some classwork. I do you some words. Exercise A and exercise 2 I do, but next I will give you homework. Chapter 1, noun. Chapter 1, exercise A. Insert an appropriate material noun before every common noun. Exercise A. Those who have bought books, you have seen it, otherwise you will you copy it in your copy. Exercise. Insert an appropriate material noun. Insert an appropriate material noun before every common noun. Shivamoni wore a blue denim shirt and went for shopping. First, he bought a gold ring for his brother. Then he purchased a leather wallet for his father and a silk sari for his mother. He had recently clicked a family photograph for which he bought a beautiful wooden frame. He went to a departmental store and bought a plastic mug and some iron nails. He then went to a nursery and bought some manure in a polythene bag. He kept all the items in a cotton bag and drove back home. Okay? Repeat it again. Exercise A. Insert an appropriate material noun before every common noun. Shivamoni wore a blue denim shirt and went for shopping. First, he bought a gold ring for his brother. Then he purchased a leather wallet for his father. Next, I repeat it again. Shivamoni wore a blue denim shirt and went for shopping. First, he bought a gold ring for his brother. Then he purchased a leather wallet for his father and silk sari for his mother. He had recently clicked a famous photograph for which he bought a beautiful wooden frame. He went to a departmental store and bought a plastic mug and some iron nails. He then went to a nursery and bought some manure in a polythene bag. He kept all the items in a cotton bag and drove back home. Okay, next day I will give you some classwork and some homework also, chapter 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much.